Imagine standing on the edge of a wide-open highway as the world slowly fades into a soft golden glow, and in the distance, a bold, futuristic SUV emerges like a vision of tomorrow brought into the present. This is not just a car, it is a statement of innovation, power, and refined luxury crafted for those who refuse to settle for ordinary. As the vehicle glides forward, every sharp line and sculpted curve reflects the careful engineering behind its design, blending aerodynamic precision with a commanding road presence that turns heads wherever it goes. The matte metallic finish shimmers under the changing sky, giving the body a living, breathing character that feels both modern and timeless. As you step inside, the cabin welcomes you into a world of comfort and advanced technology, where every detail has been designed to elevate your driving experience. The soft-touch materials, premium leather seating, and ambient lighting create a calm, luxurious atmosphere that feels more like a private lounge than a vehicle interior. The digital cockpit comes alive in front of you, presenting all the information you need in a clean, intuitive layout that keeps you connected without distraction. The steering wheel fits perfectly in your hands, offering a sense of control and confidence that makes every journey feel effortless and smooth. Now, imagine pressing the accelerator as the SUV rolls onto the highway, the engine responding with a quiet yet powerful surge of energy. The road stretches endlessly ahead, and the world outside becomes a cinematic blur of motion and light. The panoramic windshield frames the horizon like a moving painting, while the sound of the wind and the subtle hum of the hybrid system create a soothing rhythm that matches the flow of the journey. Every lane change feels precise, every curve in the road is met with stability and grace, reminding you that this machine is built not just for speed, but for balance and control. As the sun begins to set, the sky transforms into a canvas of deep oranges and soft purples, reflected across the glossy surfaces of the car and the smooth asphalt below. The LED headlights cut through the growing dusk, guiding the way forward with a sharp, confident glow. In this moment, the drive becomes more than just a trip from one place to another, it becomes an experience, a story unfolding with every mile you travel. You feel connected to the road, the vehicle, and the world around you in a way that turns an ordinary highway into a path of discovery and excitement. This is the future of driving, where design, technology, and performance come together to create something truly unforgettable. It is not just about reaching your destination, but about enjoying every second of the journey, feeling the freedom of the open road, and embracing the thrill of motion as you move forward into what lies ahead.